Tonight, Tarrant County is ending a program that allowed a local college to use unclaimed bodies for medical research. This program has been around for 6 years, and Scoop Jefferson is live outside UNT's campus in Fort Worth with what he's learned.
Yeah, Chris, no one here at UNT HSC wanted to go on camera about their will body program, but university officials did confirm they have suspended the program and fired the program leaders. Now, here's how the program worked here in Tarrant County. According to UTA professor Dr. Eli Shoup, when the medical examiner had a deceased person who was not claimed for burial, it was donated to UNT HSC for clinical training, research, and medical education programs. In some cases, hundreds of bodies were dismembered and body parts were sold to other medical research programs across the country. UNT HSC admitted in a statement to WFAA the university failed to oversee the program, fired program leaders, and suspended the will body program immediately. Today, Tarrant County commissioners still voted unanimously to kill its contract with UNT HSC, especially after hearing public comment today.
UNT Health Science Center is accused of selling body parts to other medical facilities. So in fact, it sounds like they were making money off of the remains of decedents. Highly unethical.
Like many of us, I was shocked to discover that one's body could be dissected, separated, and sold without consent from the deceased or their next of kin.
But somebody has to get rid of them. You know, the dead can't just be left lying around on the street or in the fields.
The fallout from the will body program here at UNT HSC is far from over. A funeral director told me on the telephone today he and other funeral homes here in Tarrant County are trying to figure out what next steps to take for bodies that they have in their funeral homes that have not been claimed by families. Chris?
Along those lines, Scoop, Tarrant County has been giving these unclaimed bodies to UNT. So what happens to them from here on out?
Well, commissioners say the medical examiner has the capacity and space to accommodate those unclaimed bodies while working to locate the next of kin, but that could change. So they'll have to come up with some type of policy. They have to create that policy outlining what happens to people when they die without arrangements made by their loved ones.
Yeah, some wide-ranging implications to this rupture in the agreement. Thank you, Scoop.